कबीर मरता मरता जग मुआ, मर भी न जाने कोई। ऐसे मरने जो मरे, बहूर न मरना होए। सात संगत जी, वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Our brave Singhs and Gurus have created Sikh history, suffused with sacrifices and martyrdoms to maintain our religion of Sikhism. Fundamentalist Muslims and Hindus continuously attempted to suppress Sikhs to gain more followers for their faith by converting them into their religion. Despite the constant trials, the Sikhs were firmly devoted to their religion, no matter the torturous consequences they had to encounter. Sun upadesh hriday basavo, man iche nanak fal pavo. In modern day, the youth is diverging from Sikhi because of our negligence of writing and communicating these heroic acts of tolerating torture in Sikh history. Our parents, uncles, and aunties are not sharing the heroic history along with the evidences to the younger generation. Today, we children lack knowledge about our religion. As a result, children will not be able to create a connection and devotion to Sikhism on a personal level. Then, the young generation will not promote and educate others on it. Additionally, the issue with writing the Sikh history has been that some Western writers write material without doing extensive research, while other writers write about Sikhism in a biased way. Both methods are not the correct way to record information on Sikhism. The solution to engage the youth now to Sikhism is to record Sikh history with an authentic historical account. This needs to be published by a centrally and universally accepted organization. The organization would have to examine recorded events critically so that the youth would have an authentic resource to obtain knowledge and have a connected relationship with Sikhism and Waheguru. Another reason for the youth pushing away from Sikhi is that writers have twisted stories that has created a negative image on them. For example, people have created stereotypical descriptions of Sikhs as morons, boozers, womanizers. Furthermore, a major joke about Sikhs is that people say that Sardar de 12 baj gaya hai. This joke teased at Sikhs that when it turned midnight, Sikhs began to do things that insane people do. However, the true story of what happened at midnight was that Sikhs would rescue Hindus and people from other religions at midnight as a strategy from being forced to convert to the Islam religion. The youth do not want to be teased and seen negatively. This is completely contrary to our Guruji's teaching and principle. Guru Arjan Sahib is described by a butt as divine-like. Kaljug Jahaj Arjun Guru Sagasrist Lak Bit Rahu. In this dark age of Kalyug, Guru Arjanji is the boat. Attached to him, the entire universe is safely carried across by him. In Sikh history, Guru Arjan Dev Ji articulated a distinct identity that was clearly different from Hinduism and Islam religions. Guruji offered the Shabad as a treasure, compiled it as the Adi Granth, which is now entitled as the Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Guruji designed and built the Sikh center of worship, the Harmandir Sahib, and the center of Sikhism, known as Kartarpur, during his tour of Duaba. Guruji enhanced the structure of Sikh society by further developing the Masand system. They introduced the principle of Dasvand, used for Guru Ka Langar and for other acts of benevolence. Other religions and cults had so many baseless rituals that the people were getting out of their own religion and entering the Sikh Brotherhood. As a result, high caste Hindus, called Brahmins, and fundamentalist Muslims became staunch opponents and developed an enmity against Guruji and Sikhism as a whole. The issue turned into a political situation, and the Hindus and Muslims presented their case to the ruler, Jahangir. There are two other characters, Chandu Shah and Priti Chand, who also opposed Guruji. Jis andar tat parai hove, tista kade na hove pala. This means one whose heart is filled with jealousy of others never comes to any good. Diwan Chandu Shah was a wealthy banker and revenue officer at Lahore's Mughal court. His priest proposed the marriage of Chandu Shah's daughter to Guru's son. Chandu reluctantly agreed, while publicly remarking that the Guru's house was too low for his wealth and status. After seeking the Sanghat's advice, Guru Sahib refused the proposal. Chandu became hostile towards Guruji after he got rejected for the marriage proposal. In the same manner, Priti Chand couldn't tolerate the situation any longer when his younger brother, Guru Arjan Dev Ji, was showered with Guruship. Priti Chand tried using propaganda for acquiring the Guruship. He took the political assistant for the fulfillment of his desires by inviting Sulhi Khan and Sulabhi Khan of Lahore to invade Amritsar. But Priti Chand did not succeed due to their death on the way on 2 separate accounts. Guru Arjan Sahib's personal testimony is very revealing. Sulhi te narayan rakh, sulhi ke haath kahi na poche, sulhi hoy mua na paak. Priti Chand's desires were buried in his heart. As foe, both Chandu and Priti Chand conspired with others to slander about Guruji. Jahangir ordered his officers to execute Guruji with torture. He was made to sit on a burning hot plate while boiling hot sand was poured over his burnt body. Tera kiya mitha lage, har naam padarat nanak mange. After enduring 5 days of unrelenting torture, Guru Arjan Dev Ji was taken for a bath in the river. As thousands watched, Guruji, our first martyr, entered the river and was never to be seen again. Sad Sangat Ji, Guruji, known as the Shahidi der Sartaj Guru, played as an exemplary role model for all of us in writing 2,312 hymns and documenting some of his personal incidents in the Guru Granth Sahib. We must read and understand Bani to learn about the tenets of Sikhi and our history first-hand written by Guruji. I pray to Waheguru to give me the strength to study the details of information, verify facts from different sources, and make it a habit to document them. Gurmukh tera pana pave, saji hi sukh sach kamave. Give me the strength to live in accordance to God's will, and give me the strength to stand up for the truth, even if I will encounter obstacles on the way. Reading about the sacrifices and martyrdoms of our gurus only enables these words to come out. Aise gur ko bal bal jaye aap mukat mohe tare. Sat Sangat Ji, Waheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji ki Fateh.